وهو يحب تفجير الأشياء باستخدام قوة العلم. سيريكم كيف يمكنكم فعل ذلك بأنفسكم.
بام.
يمكنكم تسخير قوة العلوم في منزلكم بفضل برنامج اختبر العلوم بنفسك.
أجل.
You want to make the perfect slime? I have the perfect recipe. Start with borax. 1 tablespoon of borax in 1 cup of water. Elmer's glue. As much glue as you want. Dilute it 50% with water. Really mix it. Add food coloring. Mix. Oh, this is great. Mix in borax water, just a little at a time. Really mix it. Done. It's perfect. Do the same thing with clear glue and it's even better. Mix in cockroaches. Awesome. Spider eggs. Pink slime. I don't know, weird slime. Put in your favorite mix-in, jelly marbles. Alien eggs popping out. For all these recipes and more, visit us at stevespanglerscience.com/slime.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.